Hey there! Have you ever wanted to learn how to create awesome animated greeting card, but you just have no clue how to do that? Hence, looked up YouTube for tutorials, found a lot of online courses, and that is great. There are so many free lessons around, even commercial that are affordable these days. Heck, there are a lot of competing libraries that allow you to access everything with a single subscription, and that is awesome. The tuition fees are much cheaper than schools and traditional workshops. But when it comes to the license fees, for the commercial editing software, each course requires, not to mention the monthly subscription. With all these adding up, taking a look at the statement. Ya habibi, does it look so good?
Hasta la vista, baby.
Screw it. Let me show you a free secret alternative. All you need is this and this and this open source baby. Nothing else. You don't need to buy any commercial editing software. Say adios to subscriptions such as VideoScribe. No fancy hardware required. Believe it or not, even a couple of years old laptop lying idle in the garage will do. Within a reason. I'll teach you how to use this fantastic program to make cool whiteboard style handwritten animation like this one. You might have seen these or similar, called explainer videos on YouTube or commercial courses. It's a very powerful presentation technique. Companies spend a lot of money to promote their products. If you were to hire a freelancer to create a 1-minute video, it will cost you anywhere between $100 to $300. Not cheap. So, probably now you may be thinking, let's find out. Hey Google, what is the best video editing software?
Here's a summary from Creative Block. The best video editing software, paid for. 1. Adobe Premiere Pro CC. 2. Final Cut Pro X. 3. Adobe Premiere Elements 2019. 4. Adobe Premiere Rush. 5. KineMaster. 6. Corel Video Studio Ultimate 2019. 7. Filmora 9, and more.
Okay. And what is the best VFX software?
Here is information from Animation Magazine.
Okay. And what is the best visual effect software?
Here's a summary from Mac. Autodesk Maya. Picture credit. https://filmora.wondershare.com/video-editing-tips/best-special-effects-software.
Okay, so what to do now? Sell your pet? Well, if you have been paying close attention while watching this so far, I hate to break it to you, my friend. As you can see, none of the bills looks really pretty. If you missed that part while checking WhatsApp, pay good close attention now. Turn off Netflix, Facebook. You don't want to miss this. In case you haven't noticed, this video you're watching right now is a whiteboard animation. I used Blender to make it. In fact, this course you are about to watch was crafted using this amazing open source software, and I didn't pay a damn single penny. In case you haven't noticed. And what is the best VFX software?
Here is information from Animation Magazine.
The Google lady says it's among one of the best software. Unfortunately, she neglected the zero price tag. And in case you haven't noticed, this handsome businessman talking to you was created with Blender. This won't be A to Z whiteboard animation class, but if you stick around, I will show you how to use Blender to create awesome animated cards with this cool handing effect. Surprise your friends, make them ask how you did that. Use it to give the feel that you have handwritten a personalized greeting for a loved one.
Oh yeah.
Plus, it's visually engaging, much more likely to catch attention in the hectic, fast-paced, content-oriented platform, especially social media. All this absolutely, positively free of charge. Like I said, it's open source, so no free trial, pay me later. No pay to unlock premium features. No buy me now for ad-free experience. No microtransaction BS.
Why, hello there, and welcome.
What do you want better than that? Truly free of charge, baby. The course fee, personal internet, food and utility bills required to watch the lessons are on you though. So here's the deal. You take care of that and I teach the free stuff. Ouch! Oh! Ouch! 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 Oh! 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 Ouch! So, what you are waiting for? Click the enroll button below or above to sign up now, or you'll miss the fun.